Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the economic impact of five wars that India fought after independence and the consequence of the war and how did India recover after that. There are five major wars that India fought. The first one, 1947, India-Pakistan War. Second one, 1962, India-China War. Third one, 1965, India-Pakistan War. Fourth one, 1971, India-Pakistan War. Fifth one, 1999, Kargil War between India and Pakistan. So in all these five major wars, there was huge loss in terms of lives, in terms of resources, money, and so many things were lost because of this war. India had to go back practically few years just because of war. The development reduced, the growth reduced. Okay, now before starting the topic, let me ask you one question. If you have 1 lakh rupee in your hand and you are supposed to invest that 1 lakh rupee, now in what kind of option will you be investing in? There are three options for you. First option, invest 1 lakh, get only same amount 1 lakh out of that. So will you invest that? Yeah, you can because there is no gain, no loss. It's 1 lakh only. The second scenario, you are investing 1 lakh, there is no return, zero return. Will you invest in that? Very less chance. The third case, you have 1 lakh. After investing, if it becomes minus 1 lakh, will you invest by some chance? There is no chance of you investing, right? It is becoming minus. So wars are similar to that. The spending, the expenditure, the loss of life, etc. in a war is a necessary evil, and the cost is huge. It takes the country back. The country will go back to 10 to 15 years, and it takes that much time of year to come back to the original position. Hence, wars are very costly. Let's analyze the wars one by one. 1947 India-Pakistan War. The region of the war was intrusion of Pakistan into Kashmir. And after that, once Maharaja Hari Singh signed an agreement with India for the accession of Kashmir to India, Indian army was deployed in that region and they successfully fought the Pakistani army and drove them back. But at the end, one third of the region of Kashmir was lost as a POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Now, what are the losses? First thing, though India won the war, there were so many losses. There was loss of 1,000 plus army lives. Then there was 1 lakh plus people who were affected directly or indirectly due to the war. Huge amount of resources, crores of resources were deployed for the war. All economic activities were reduced or kind of stopped. That is the huge impact. And after 1947, India introduced a slew of measures to recover. There are many interesting measures such as 1951 economic plan and so on. Then, fast forward in 1962, there was India-China war. India-China war was very costly for India. Security-related expenses are reimbursed by the central government. It's a huge amount. And based on a research by a Mumbai-based think tank Strategic Foresight, the conflict between India and Pakistan has squeezed the growth opportunity for India by 3%. That is a huge number. Hence, in summary, war has huge consequences on the country. Though the country may win, but ultimately there is huge loss in terms of lives, in terms of losing of area, in terms of resources getting diverted for the war, in terms of budget expenditure towards defense and other related activities. Then stock market falls down, economic activity stops, and hence we can conclude that war has a huge cost and the country will need 10